Welcome back, folks. So we have an interesting cocktail tonight. It's called the Aviation. The Aviation is a cocktail that dates back to New York City, early 1900s, when it first appeared in a cocktail recipe book. Then we have Prohibition that happened. All right, so we have a problem there with alcohol in the United States. And it kind of goes away. And then one of the key ingredients to get that violet color stops being produced. Stops being produced in the United States, stops being imported, and kind of just goes away for a while. But now it's back. So this cocktail starts off with gin, 2 ounces of Plymouth gin, or one of those neutral type gins. Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur. It's a great company. They make really, really high quality stuff, but Maraschino cherry liqueur. There's some other Maraschino cherry liqueurs out there. I haven't tried them, but hey, knock yourself out. And here's the key, Creme de Violette. All right, this is made in Austria. It is made in the Alpine regions. It's a brandy base that they take the spring violets from the field along with another plant called Queen Charlotte, and they make this purple stuff. Wow, who knew? So, but that's what gives it that cool little purple color. And then lastly, we have lemon juice. All right, so if I had another glass, that'd be really cool. Here it is. All right, go figure. 2 ounces of gin. We like Plymouth gin because it's neutral. It's not overly juniper-y, it's not overly floral or all those other characteristics some gins have. 1/2 ounce of the Luxardo. Boom, there we go. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, fresh if you can, but hey, you know, life happens. And then 1/2 ounce of Creme de Violette. Now, the recipe we found said 1/4 ounce. However, we like the taste of this and we liked it to have a little bit more of that purple color, so we bumped it up to 1/2 ounce. But hey, to your taste. All right, from that missing glass, that Whiskey Nick Nora glass. Whiskey's a company I really, really enjoy. They make great stuff. They're elegant products. Just can't say enough good stuff about it. And they're affordable. I mean, come on. I know you can spend a ton of money on glassware, but do you have to? Probably not. So, into our Nick Nora glass. Oh, love that color. That's awesome right there. And since we have Luxardo Maraschino cherry liqueur in the drink, we're going to add some maraschino cherries as our garnish. So there you have it. The Aviation. It's been around for 100 years. Very cool. All right. Cheers. Stay safe. Enjoy. I tell you that Creme de Violette is a flavor I've never had before. I can't really describe it to you, but it's interesting, it's tasty, and hey, give it a try. Cheers, folks.